Looking for the ultimate charcoal grill in 2025? From backyard barbecues to portable grilling, we've tested the best, so you don't have to. Stick around to see which one tops them all. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Burch Barrel. This is more than just a grill, it's a showpiece for any outdoor gathering. With 9 coal grate height settings, adjustable vents, and a smart pulley system for lifting the lid and grate, it offers precise control and top-tier cooking performance. Its double-wall construction ensures a steady burn, and the grill easily converts into a fire pit post-dinner. Rugged and versatile, the adjustable legs even allow setup on uneven terrain like mountainsides. However, it's not for everyone. Its large size, assembly time, and lack of true portability make it a poor choice for casual users or small spaces. And at a premium price point, it's far more expensive than standard charcoal grills. Still, if you've got the space and budget, the Burch Barrel stands out as a high-performance, conversation-starting grill built for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. Weber Original Kettle Premium 22. This is the Ford F-150 of charcoal grills. Simple, reliable, and built to perform. Its classic design offers generous cooking space, intuitive controls, and features perfect for backyard grilling. The kettle lid provides ample vertical room and conveniently hooks onto the grill as a windscreen. A hinged grate allows for easy coal access, and an ash pan makes cleanup fast. A built-in thermometer aids in heat management. While not the most heat-efficient grill, its simplicity and dependability make it a top choice for beginners and seasoned grillers alike. It uses more charcoal than insulated models, and portability isn't its strong suit, though it can be wheeled or disassembled if needed. For regular home use, it's hard to beat. For travel, consider the Weber Go Anywhere. But for home cookouts, the original kettle remains a classic. Number 3. Nomad Grill and Smoker. It blends portability with premium performance in a rugged, futuristic briefcase-style design. It arrives fully assembled and features magnetic honeycomb grates, a large coal box, and a built-in thermometer with heat zone indicators. Lightweight stainless steel grates deliver excellent heat transfer, while the anodized aluminum shell, ergonomic handle, and cool-to-touch sliders make it safe and quick to pack away after cooking. Despite its thoughtful engineering, the Nomad isn't perfect. It lacks foldable legs and can get too hot for tabletop use. Ash may leak if not thoroughly cleaned, and doubling the cooking area requires buying a second grate. While functional, the honeycomb grill marks won't win over steak purists. At a high price point, the Nomad's nearest rival, the PKGO, offers more surface area and hibachi-style flexibility. Still, for serious grillers who prioritize portable power, the Nomad is a compelling pick. Number 4. Best Aluminum Grill. PK360 Grill Plus Smoker. This is a premium, rust-proof aluminum charcoal grill designed for durability, heat efficiency, and serious performance. With precise vent placement, hinged grates for easy coal and wood chip additions, and tool-free disassembly, the PK360 offers excellent control and convenience. Its design even allows tabletop use without the stand, making it versatile despite its size. However, this grill is not lightweight. Despite being made of aluminum, it's one of the heaviest charcoal models around. While it breaks down for transport, moving it solo isn't ideal. It also occupies significant space with the side tables attached and comes with a high price tag, making it less appealing for budget-conscious buyers. That said, for longevity and high-performance grilling, the PK360 is a top-tier choice. For those craving the same design in a more mobile package, the PKGO is a worthy alternative. Number 5. Weber Go Anywhere. This is a portable charcoal grill Built for on-the-go pit cooking. Shaped like a suitcase, it features Weber's classic porcelain enameled steel construction in a compact, durable form. Folding legs lock the lid in place for transport, preventing spills, and the rectangular shape allows for a generous coal bed and even heat distribution. With 4 vents, 2 top, 2 bottom, airflow is highly adjustable, though the aluminum construction gets very hot and the tight fit of the bottom dampers makes them hard to maneuver. Gloves are recommended during use. It takes some practice to master heat control, but once dialed in, the Go Anywhere performs reliably. While it doesn't insulate as well as more premium models like the Char-Griller Acorn Junior Kamado, it excels in portability and simplicity, making it a great choice for tailgates, campsites, and road trips. So, which is the best charcoal grill of 2025? Our top pick, the PK360 Grill Plus Smoker, for its unbeatable durability, airflow control, and exceptional grilling performance.